How's it going? It's Tiken here from Dominicalito. I'm here in Costa Rica and I'm really excited to share some really amazing, awesome work me and my partners and co-creators here at Finca Morpho has been working on, and that's the nomadic community model. The nomadic community model is what I feel to be the most valuable, needed type of gathering or collective for the human potential going into the regenerative future. And that just means that through this process, we've really discovered quite a bit about ourselves, about each other, and about the earth, and about permaculture. And through this series of information, I will go through the history of Finca Morpho and the nomadic community, the goals and purpose of the nomadic community, as well as the seasons that exist inside the nomadic community. What kind of member types are in the nomadic community, and what is the tree analogy? As we keep going, we're going to go into some common definitions you'll find throughout our videos, and we're going to talk about why nomadic. Why do we choose a nomadic community over other forms of community? And what is permaculture, and why do we use it, and how do we incorporate it in this vision and in this mission as well? In this whole picture of figuring out what the nomadic community is, it's really important to figure out what are we. And as we go forward discussing the nomadic community container more, we're going to talk about the types of spaces. Whether it be nomadic community spaces, nomadic training centers, nomadic hubs, or nomadic spiritual centers, all having different members and different purposes and goals. Inside the nomadic community, we have positions or pillars, 5 essential, 8 expansionary, and 13 growing. And we'll go and describe each one of those core positions or pillars and what it means to be a role keeper or a role holder inside of the nomadic community. What are nutrient points, and what are fruit credits, and how do they come into this mix? What is produced in the nomadic community? It's a very important question. What do we make? And what are needs and what are wants? And how do we get further into the conversation about what this means? And yeah, we'll go a little bit into Finca Morpho and Finca La Paz Habilidad, some of our companion plant networks, and then we'll talk about some of the sources that have helped co-create this amazing vision that I'm excited to have you be part of the team. Thanks for watching the video. Enjoy yourselves and have a wonderful